Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be sharing with you how I install my 2-strand twist using one gel. Now let's just go ahead and get right into the video. Now this gel works wonders. I wish I would have known how well it works on my hair. I would have probably tried a wash and go, but I pretty much used up the whole entire jar doing 2-strand twist and braids and protective hairstyles. I'm going to show you a clip and you'll see how well it has my curls clumping. I don't never wear my hair in a wash and go state. Like, I don't really know how to work with my curls. But that is something I'm going to start working on this year. Maybe trying to work with my curls a little bit more. I keep going back and forth, so we'll see. We'll see how that works out. But that's not what this video is about. It's about this gel, really. So back to this gel. It is amazing. It says that it defines and hold, and I would say that these twists did last at least 2 weeks. I left these twists in for 2 weeks and they held up very well. So what I did was I shampooed my hair, deep conditioned, and in the shower I added my leave-in conditioner and added a plastic cap for at least 30 minutes. Then I removed my plastic cap and only parted. I finger part because it's easier for me. So I finger part and I added my gel and just twisted up each section. That's all I did. I didn't add any more cream or leave-in or anything else. I only added the gel and twisted, and it worked out amazing. I love the way they look, and my hair just feels so soft and moisturized. Now let's just talk about some of the ingredients that's in this gel, which really made me pick it up because I really just seen it, and I believe I was in Marshall's, and I just read the ingredients and it instantly made me pick it up. So it has manuka honey, shea butter, avocado oil, olive oil, castor oil, and flaxseed oil. So now I'm seeing why my hair was so moisturized, because it has a lot of moisturizing ingredients in this gel. I definitely will be repurchasing this gel and even maybe trying a wash and go. So it'll be my first wash and go. So we'll see once I get my hands back on this gel, because like I said, I used it all up. And as you can see here, although I'm finger parting, I'm still making sure to finger comb each section to make sure that there's no hair that's out of place. So I am making sure to feel around my parts to make sure that all the hair is being twisted up that needs to be twisted up. I really like to take my time when installing really any hairstyle. especially like 2-strand twists and mini braids, because once you install them, they can really last a good 2 weeks and look really nice as long as you install them correctly. So you want to make sure your parts are pretty straight. They don't have to be perfect. Just make sure that all the hair is going in the right direction and you don't have hair just all over the place. Like your flyaway hairs are not all over the place. Also, making sure that your hair is properly moisturized before you start is very important. That will help your hair thrive and be able to really grow while you have your mini braids in. Mini braids definitely is one of my top hairstyles for promoting hair growth. So I used to do these a lot when I first did my big chop, and my hair grew like crazy. I don't do them as much now, but I'm actually thinking about starting a mini braid / mini twist series where I will be going back and forth between the 2 or 3, because there's another hairstyle in between that I also like to do, which I will be sharing with you very soon as well. And all 3 of these hairstyles just promote hair growth, especially if they're installed correctly and your hair is properly moisturized, which is key. Your scalp is taken care of and your hair is moisturized and your ends have been trimmed is a great way to start off your hair growth journey. I know I keep saying mini braids, mini twists, but this is the perfect size twist that I like to do on my hair, which is more like medium size twist. I like to do mini braids on my hair because when I wash my braids, they don't tingle as easy. But when it comes to me doing mini twists, I also shampoo my hair while my twists are installed. And if they're smaller, I find that my hair tangles up drastically when it's time to take the mini twist out. Now, at least for my hair. Everybody's hair is different, so I only can share what works for my hair. And that is what I've learned from me doing mini twist on my hair. And here's a little length check for you guys. The shrinkage is so real. My hair doesn't even look like it's as long as it is. Here we are, almost done. Here's some texture shots of my hair and how much more we have to go. Now let's go ahead and do some magic and make this happen. And we're done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you got something out of this video. If not, please leave a comment. I will love to answer any questions that you may have for me. And I will see you in my next upload.